Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best foil storage is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked kitchen accessories, especially for those who love to cook, bake, or pack lunches regularly. Keeping your aluminum foil, plastic wrap, and parchment paper organized and easily accessible can transform your kitchen workflow, preventing frustrating tangles and ensuring you always have the right roll ready when you need it. A good foil storage solution not only tidies up your drawers or pantry but also protects your rolls from damage, making them last longer and perform better during use. This video will dive deep into what makes a foil storage unit truly stand out, helping you find the perfect fit for your culinary space and needs. Number 5. Stock your home 9x13 aluminum pans with lids. Introducing our premium aluminum pans, perfect for all your cooking and baking needs. They are durable and convenient for any occasion. Get ready for your next barbecue. These pans are ideal for grilling, baking, roasting, and preserving your favorite foods. They make cleanup a breeze. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, these 9x13-inch pans are eco-friendly and recyclable. Simply dispose of them after use for effortless cleanup. This value pack includes 25 pans and 25 lids, offering great convenience and an excellent price. The dimensions are perfect for generous portions. These premium pans are not only eco-friendly but also dishwasher, oven, and freezer safe. Enjoy versatile and reliable cookware for your kitchen. Don't miss out on this essential kitchen item. Order your set today and simplify your cooking and food storage. What we like. These disposable aluminum pans are perfect for any cooking or baking need. They are durable, recyclable, and come in a value pack, making cleanup a breeze. If you're looking for convenience for parties, catering, or simply want to avoid washing dishes, these are the ideal choice. What people say. The dispenser is made of sturdy bamboo, which feels much more premium than plastic alternatives. It has a smooth sliding cutter that makes cutting foil easy and clean. The design allows for easy loading of new rolls and fits standard-sized foil and plastic wrap. Number 4. SpaceAid WrapNeat 3-in-1 Bamboo Wrap Organizer. Tired of a cluttered kitchen? Our bamboo wrap organizer brings beauty and order to your food storage needs. It's designed to make your kitchen look neat and organized effortlessly. This dispenser is specifically designed for your plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and wax paper. It fits rolls up to 12 inches wide, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen organization. Never guess which wrap is which again. It comes with 21 label stickers to clearly identify your contents. You can choose to use them for easy identification or keep a clean, minimalist look. Our organizer features 3 slots for different wraps, offering flexible organization. You can place it in a drawer or mount it on the wall for easy access. The larger opening in the middle helps you find the roll start quickly. Experience a clean cut every time with the built-in slide cutter for each slot. It also securely holds each roll in place, ensuring you don't lose the start of the roll during dispensing. What we like. This bamboo organizer offers a beautiful and efficient way to store your kitchen wraps. With 3 slots and a built-in cutter for each, it ensures a clean cut every time and keeps your rolls tidy. If you want to declutter your drawers and add a touch of natural elegance to your kitchen, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The foil dispenser is easy to use and cuts cleanly. It holds rolls of foil, plastic wrap, and parchment paper securely. The compact design fits well in my kitchen drawer. Number 3. SpaceAid WrapNeat 2-in-1 Wrap Organizer. Tired of a messy kitchen? This bamboo organizer brings beauty and order to your wrap storage. It's designed to neatly hold all your essential kitchen wraps. It's specifically designed for plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and wax paper. Just ensure your rolls are not wider than 12 inches and check your drawer height first. Included are 21 label stickers to help you identify contents instantly. You can choose to label it clearly or keep its clean, natural look. This one-piece box features 2 slots for different wraps. The larger opening in the middle makes finding the rolls start effortless. Each slot has a built-in slide cutter for a perfectly clean cut every single time. It also holds each roll securely, preventing loss of the roll start. You can place this organizer in a drawer or even hang it on the wall. Enjoy flexible organization that fits your space. What we like. This compact bamboo organizer is designed to neatly store your plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and wax paper. It features a built-in slide cutter for precise cuts and a streamlined design for easy access. If you have limited drawer space or prefer a simpler organization system for your wraps, this 2-slot option is a great fit. What people say. The foil dispenser has a built-in cutter that works well. It holds multiple rolls of foil, plastic wrap, and parchment paper. The design is sleek and fits nicely in a drawer. Number 2. Camco replacement grease storage bags, 5-pack. Tired of messy grease disposal? These foil-lined bags make it simple to store and discard used cooking oil. Just fill them up and toss them in the trash. Keep your kitchen smelling fresh. These bags are designed to seal in odors, preventing any unpleasant smells from escaping. Say goodbye to clogged drains. By properly storing your grease, you can avoid costly plumbing issues and keep your pipes clear. These bags are built to last. They can hold liquids up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring they won't leak or fail. Designed to work seamlessly with your Camco grease storage container. They offer a convenient and effective solution for grease management. This pack includes 5 replacement bags, providing you with plenty of storage for your cooking grease. It's an economical choice for any home cook. What we like. These foil-lined bags are specifically designed for the safe and convenient disposal of cooking grease and oils. They seal in odors and prevent drain clogs, holding liquids up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. If you frequently cook with a lot of grease and want an easy, mess-free way to dispose of it without harming your plumbing, these bags are essential. What people say. You can put hot grease in there without issue. It is wide enough that you can directly pour from your pan with ease and no mess. The bags are durable and easy to replace. They can hold near boiling hot oil without problem. It is foil-lined to prevent most leakage, and if you don't overfill it will close with a fold-over top and seal with the tab. Number 1. EcoWrap Compostable Food Wrap with Bamboo Dispenser. Introducing our certified compostable plastic wrap, designed to biodegrade safely into natural elements. It's BPA-free and better for our planet. Experience superior cling and strength with our 50-gauge thickness wrap. It seals food effectively without tearing, sticking, or leaving residue. Say goodbye to tangled rolls. Our built-in cutter ensures a clean slice every time, making food wrapping a breeze. The weighted dispenser stays put on your countertop, allowing for easy one-handed wrapping. It dispenses smoothly for all your food prep needs. This eco-friendly upgrade features a durable bamboo dispenser and biodegradable wraps. Create a fully sustainable kitchen setup with ease. Make a conscious choice for the environment without compromising on performance. Our wrap offers a sustainable alternative for everyday food storage. What we like. This set offers a fully eco-friendly solution for your food wrapping needs, featuring certified compostable wrap and a beautiful bamboo dispenser. The weighted dispenser ensures stability for one-handed use and a clean cut every time. If you are committed to sustainability and want a high-performing, planet-friendly alternative to traditional plastic wrap, this is the ultimate upgrade for your kitchen. What people say. The dispenser is so cool and very well constructed. The cutter works perfectly and is so much better than having to tear the plastic off with the saw-tooth edge on most boxes. The plastic wrap also seals nicely on my glass containers. It's convenient to use, functional, and it slices plastic wrap well. Makes me more likely to use wrap to preserve foods properly. This is well built, easy to use. Fits the description online. Looks great on the kitchen counter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.